Now we have an integrated test of our communication circuits with our soldered motor controls to power our four bilge pumps. So first we are going to do is run a 80 kilohertz wave into the transducer. The receiving transducer will pick up that signal, and then as you can hear from the bilge pumps, they will cycle turning on for 5 seconds and turning off for 5 seconds whenever they hear this 80 kilohertz signal. So when we turn that 80 kilohertz signal off, after this loop goes through, the bilge pumps will stop turning on and off, signaling that they no longer have received that 80 kilohertz signal. Thus, our 1-bit simple communication, one-way transmission is working.